How to stop sharing location on Google Maps. So hello guys, if you share your live location with someone and you want to stop that, how you guys can stop that? So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Maps app. So I will simply click on Maps app. Here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click here. Once you click here you guys will see your profile, your timeline, location sharing. For stopping location, we will simply click on location sharing. Once you click here you guys will see share via a link. So simply click here. Once you click here you guys will see can see your location, also stop option. So simply click on stop option. Once you click here, your location will be stopped sharing, and the person that you shared your location with will not see your location. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.